Hi everyone. My name is Mrs. Byerly. I'm going to be your health teacher for the remainder of the school year. Um, this is an online class. This is going to be the first time that I have ever taught an online class from start to finish. Obviously, since the time we've been home, like we've been working, but I already knew my students. So this is kind of different. Like I've really have probably never met you. You might know who I am through passing of the building, but you know, um, really, I've never done this before. So this is kind of a learning process for both you, for me. But I want to show you guys some functions of the class, like how to get yourself through the class, where to look for important information, where to submit your work, that type of thing. Okay, so on your It's Learning page, if you go to your home screen, all your classes will pop up. Now, health is here, and I know it says rotation 4 here. I have a feeling that you can still see this. If you can't, please let me know if you cannot see this, but I'm almost positive that you guys can see this still. Um, but again, please let me know if you can't. Where you're going to be finding information is under your calendar. So the only area that I'm going to use It's Learning is the calendar. I'm not going under plans like some teachers. I'm literally posting everything that you need to know under the calendar, okay? You might have different colors. It depends on what you set your settings to. I have a math class. I have another general reach class. In here, I've already started setting up the Google Hangouts rotations or Hangout sessions for you guys. So and ours is going to be on Thursdays from 12:30 to 1. It's only a half hour just to check in with you guys. Um, Understand that all of your teachers from here on out have a set Google Hangout session day. Now the teacher gets to figure out what time, but I personally am for health, I'm set in stone for Thursdays. Okay, so like my math classes, all your math classes actually are going to be on Mondays, just to let you know. So if your math teacher hasn't told you that, all math is on Mondays, that type of thing. But you and I are on Thursdays at 12:30, and if you click on it, I'll give you a description. As the weeks go on, probably by Sunday, I'm going to be having more information on here for you. So I want you to make sure you're looking back under the calendar, if not Sunday, Monday for sure. Um, and I will probably do something like this where it stretches across the entire screen. So like here for my math students, it says week 4. And if I clicked on it, I would go through assignment 1, assignment 2, and all the different things that I expect them to do that week. Okay, so it's like so the calendar is just a general idea of what you'll be doing this week. Okay, so to find the actual information, we have a Google Classroom. And if I go under Google Classroom, now I have tons of them. So if I go right here and I click on this, it takes us right to it. One thing I want to point out to you is this is your Meet code. So for Google Hangouts, you know it's on Thursdays from 12:30 to 1. I'm not going to be sending you guys any codes or like the link because you're literally just going to go right here, click on it, and jump into our Google Hangout session. Okay, so that's our standard Google Meet Hangout session link that you will be clicking on every single Thursday at 12:30. Let's see, we're under stream right now. So under the stream, I have a couple different things. So Presley's already like put in a question. I said this is for fun. This is for you guys to communicate with your peers, just to stay in touch. I know that if you guys, I'm not going to click on this now, but if you guys click up here under people, you can see all the different people who are in your class. So if you just want to use this for asking personal questions, like just, hey, what are you up to, like, I don't care. This is for you personally in the class to have fun with your friends. Okay, down here is I want you to ask me as the classes are going on, questions might occur, and so this is a good place for you to ask questions. And I'm encouraging all of you, if like you see like one of your classmates have asked a question, like I'm encouraging you to help them out. Maybe you know the answer to that. So if I don't get back to them right away, because of course I'm also busy here creating all these classes, you can help out answer these questions too. I might follow up on that if I need to. But you are more than welcome to help out your classmates and peers by answering those questions for them. Another place that, if you have any questions, well, you can email me for one. If you don't know this, under It's Learning, up here is the comment box. I'm sure all of you are very well of this at this point, but you can definitely message me and ask me any questions you're having there. So I do check that one on a regular basis as well. So you have 3 different options: email, It's Learning under here, and or, oops, not that one. Not that one. I'm sorry, I have so many, not that one. Maybe it was this one. No, it was this one. I have so many places open right now. Or right here if you want to, okay? The main part of where you're going to be turning in work and all that kind of stuff is under the classwork. I am starting to put these in little folders to keep you guys very organized. So before the class starts, like what you'll see here is probably this video. So I will have this video located right here for you. That explains the topic. Starting next week, which is on Monday the 20th, I'm going to be putting assignments and what you should be doing or expecting to do throughout this class. We're going to be talking about, I believe, nutrition. I'm doing this off the top of my head right now. We're going to be talking about nutrition for the first couple weeks. I think we're going to be moving into tobacco, alcohol, and drugs. We got some mental and emotional and physical health topics that we're gonna be talking about. So there's lots of different things. I really wish, and I'm sure that you've heard your classmates using the drunk goggles. Obviously, we can't do that virtually. I wish we could. Next year when you guys come back, you guys are more than welcome to stop in my classroom, and I can hopefully show you what those look like if you would like to see that. So. All right, well, I am looking forward to a great rest of our school year with you virtually, but hopefully we'll have fun and you guys will learn some new things. So, all right, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys and talking to you next week. See ya.